Hey guys, it's your boy Gerald. Today we are going to be playing Faby Bird. A long time ago, it was called Flappy Bird. Kinda sucks. Well, let's play Flappy. DD, life is a gift. Okay. I'll try to get a big high score, guys. My high score is 17. I cannot beat 17. So help me. Okay. Whoa. I'm doing pretty good. Flip! I just get so excited when I die. And so mad when I die. Let's go. Wow. Just a wow. Just a big... Hate Sonic racing games. Always ruins my fun. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Oh, flip. Man, up here is really hard. It's really hard.
This is Peacock.
Peacock, baby.
It's streaming and it's free. Bingy, cringy.
Let's go. Oh, flip. Oh, can you find the bird? Can you find the bird? Oh, I found the bird. Yes, Dora, I found the bird. Wow. Just wow. 13. Wow. Just wow. Just a big wow. This game's hard. I'm going to focus. So I'm going to be quiet, guys. This round I'm going to be quiet and focus. So don't come in here, okay? Wow, that didn't work. Just wow. Just a big wow.
Gerald?
Yeah.
I think I'm not downloading because we have two videos uploading at the same time.
Oh.